Welcome to Stacy J Studio. Thank you for popping in today. I hope you subscribe, like, and share, just to let me know you care. Oh, you care. You care.
Hi, I'm Stacey J, and this is my studio. Welcome back to anyone who has been watching me before, and welcome to anyone that's new. If you kind of like my content, please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and don't forget to share if you know somebody that would pick up what I'm putting down. I am going to talk to you. That was Mabel. It was Willow. I'm going to talk to you today because I received something in the post. I got some happy mail from my lovely subscriber over in Australia, Julie. Just going to see how far that barking is going to go. It may have or may have not have stopped. I am just looking for a pair of scissors that I don't mind cutting plastic with. 1 second, I'll be back in a jiffy. Oh, here's my trusty paper scissors. So, yes, so this is my subscriber over in Melbourne. When I was doing the monthly makes, Julie selected a pair of trousers, which unfortunately for me, my friend was going to England, Guernsey. She was heading off to Guernsey and was going to be there for it, much easier to fit on somebody else. So, yes. Now, I don't know what this is. I was allowed given 50 guesses, but I don't think she was going to say yes to anything I said. Anyway, so I'm very excited to open this. I'm having a struggle opening it, to be honest. There we go. Found the hole. No, I didn't. Yes, I did. I'm not going to tell you what's written on the outside because it's got the little declaration because it came from overseas. As you know, I'm in New Zealand. And no, it's not a part of Australia, although I am. Oh, smells a little bit good. It smells yummy. Right. Oh, it's wrapped in here. Oh, it smells like gardenias. Oh, I don't know if I'm right. Should I stop saying ooh, ooh, ooh? Okay. So, yes, I got showing that. Guess what that is, she says. So, I'm just going to crack this open. Crack it open. Oh, I'd show you the bag it came in, but it's got both mine and Julie's address on it. And she likes sellotape. I have a little card. Oh my gosh, I so get that. I so get that. Ugh, tourists. See, they've got little flip-flops or sliders with socks on. I won't read this out because this is quite personal. So I'll read that a bit later. I got the most of it. Okay. Something smells really good in here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That smells really good though. Oh, look at this. Linen. Genuine bourbon. Here we go. I'll put it up. Reading when you have the inability to speak English at the best of times. Look at that. That is actually embroidered. Oh my gosh, look, it's embroidered. That's the back. Oh my gosh. Oh, Julie, this is beautiful. What am I making with it though? Speak to me, oh wise one. Isn't that gorgeous? And electric blue is definitely my colour. Blues aren't my colour. My inner. Oh, that is gorgeous, Julie. That is absolutely absolutely beautiful. What am I making with it? Oh my God. 1.5 meters. It will be just over because I'm 160. Oh, that is just gorgeous. Oh, they've got that precious fabric thingy on at the minute. And oh my gosh. Oh, that is so beautiful. I'm so spoiled. Even more so with the other piece. Well, not more so, but you know. Oh. Oh. Look at this. Now, I think anyone that has been watching me knows I like a little flamingo or 15. Look at that. It is so soft. That is beautiful. I almost want to say I need to put it as a lining. So I'm going to say it is 140 wide. But oh, that's beautiful. It's so soft. That is beautiful. It almost looks like a printed poly, but I've never really felt polyprop feel so soft. It's not a viscose. It could be a viscose because it feels like my viscose that I got yesterday. Oh, that is so cute though. Mum, look. Look what Julie gave me. I think I've just found the Julie that just took over from being my cousin. Ooh. 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 Oh. Look at this little cute thing. Oh no, it's thingo in the machines. Always forget her name. Oh, mwah. Sewing on the brain. Well, that's not me at all. Look at this. This is so beautiful. Looking sharp. That's really neat. You're a pearl. That was tricky. I'm doing a tricky now. That was tricky. That's so cool. Kylie and the machines. There you go, Kylie. Sorry, I just yelled that out really super uber loud. So gorgeous. And I know what this is. I do. You know the little things that hook onto a table when you go to a pub or something like that, and you hook it onto the table so your handbag doesn't sit on the floor? Well, I've got a couple of them, but I've got the best one now. Check it out. Isn't it so awesome? So it sits on the table. It sits flat, and so that's the table. And you put your handbag there, and it stops the handbag getting all your goobies on the bottom. Oh, that is so awesome. Oh, I've got to keep that in the bag and put that in my handbag so I can use that. It is so cute. Thank you. I've been very spoiled. I don't know what's in my stripe bag. Oh! Sorry, I should. I get excited looking at it, not showing you. Look, I'm going to take it out of the bag because it's going to make it look better. Oh my God. Isn't it perfect? That is so gorgeous. Oh my God. Julie, you have so spoilt me. That is so gorgeous. I love it. And are these little flamingos? Now, I don't know what they are though. Are they? I want to say that they're like mini tattoos, but I don't know. There is something actually that says on it. I'm just going to try and open this. Mr. Christopher's home. Apparently he got covered in sludge today. That's what happens when you're a plumber. And so he went straight up to the shower. Okay, I'm going to just put my little dinky in. No, I'm not. Oh my goodness. I'm going to slice it up here. Here, oh. That was almost, yeah, here it is. So I'm just going to slice it up here so nothing's cut. Whew, got into it. Right. It is better than a tattoo, right? Okay, this is nail odida. I don't know. Right. Instructions. Trim and clean and paint your nails in the colour of your choice. Bright colours recommended. Cut the decals in your desired size in order to fit your nail. I'm going to have to take these to the nail lady because she can do them. Soak each one in the water for 20 to 30 seconds. Slide it off the backing. Place it on your nail. Get rid of the excess water with a paper towel. Let it dry and apply a decent top coat on the end. Now these always get top coated and oh my gosh, they are the coolest. And yeah, I'm going to show you this. It's got a little scan code. I don't know what other decals they have, but if you're into doing your nails, the nail, my brain does not understand the word, so I can't actually read it. I can read it in my brain. I can't make my mouth work. Sorry. It's not very, it's my life, and it's how there's, I'm quite, no, yes, no, no. No, it's not gonna. Too bad. Nail. Oh dear. Nail, oh dear. There you go. See? I can't look at the word. I got it. Nail, oh dear. They're going to tell me I said it wrong. Anyway, aren't you? Oh my gosh, that is just the most beautiful, beautiful, spoiled moment right now. I feel very on a high. I'm going to read the card. The card is, like I said, is got, I just love that too. That is so cute. Has got words in it that only Julie and I have talked about, so I don't want to give out all of her information and things like that. So yeah, Mr. Christopher got out of the letterbox and he comes down and he goes, oh, it's from Australia. And then I remembered Julie had asked if she could send me something. Oh, okay. Sure. Yeah. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this. Seriously, it smells like gardenias. I don't know why. And I love gardenias. But look at that. What can you see it in? It's got to be something spectacular. And I think it's 150 wide. Let's have a look. Yeah, 150 wide. So there's a fair whack of it here. Don't tell me I've already got maple fur on it. Maybe it's fur from Australia. Chances are high, eh, Julie? Oh, well, Julie, that was just the most beautiful, beautiful surprise for today. It's been a blur day outside. I had my eyebrows done, so Groucho Mark today. And, oh, no, this is just divine. Oh, no, I don't know what to make with it. Anyone got any ideas? Look, this thing's just flopsy. It's wow. 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 But this, I mean, like, but, all of it. But that feels so, could you imagine a coat and I open it and it's just the flamingos. I don't think I showed you guys. I got a shirt the other day. It was a flamingo and it had its foot up, obviously. And it says there, don't make me put my foot down. It was, what am I going to do? This one's so soft. It smells like gardenias. It's like an unveiling. No, sorry, I shouldn't say it like that. It's like an unboxing. It's like better than an unboxing. Because this is so personalised to me. Oh, look at that. It's just so blingy. And I don't know, so me. Oh, and then my little bag of Kylie and the machines. Oh my God, I'm so spoiled. No words. I have no words. It's just so beautiful. So beautiful. So flamingo. So fantastic. So flamazing. Thank you, Julie, very much. Love it. It was just so beautiful to receive. And I don't think in a million years I would have guessed. I might have said fabric, but not the stunning fabric. I might have said there might have been one with flamingos on it, but not like this. This is just outstanding. What am I making with it? And what is that second one? What does this say? Is it a viscose? So pretty. Thank you so much, and thank you for watching. I don't get a lot of happy mail, so it was absolutely gorgeous. I've had a couple of things sent to me, which is lovely. But I just want to say a big shout out and thank you to Julie for this. Huge, beautiful thing to do for me. That's so nice. It makes me feel super, super appreciated. So thank you very much. And I'll be sending you a little text to say thank you as well. But, yep. In the meantime, everyone, please stay well, stay warm, stay dry, hydrate, keep cool, keep on sewing. Now hydrate. And have no regrets. I haven't. It's been a year, over a year. I have got no regrets. Beautiful. The beautiful people friendships I've made online, whether it's someone has contacted me via WhatsApp or Messenger to ask a question about sewing or anything like that. I have a few of you that do that. I love it. That's what I like doing. It's what I love doing. So it's good to see, and hopefully I give enough information on whys. Why is always important, especially when you teach young kids. Not saying you guys are, not saying you're old. Woo! I've always learnt, especially with my children, instead of just saying because, I've always said why they have to, or why it's important, or why whatever. Give the reason why, and it makes it understandable or more reasonable why something has come about. And I'm straight up too. If I think you're overthinking something, I'm sure the heck gonna tell you, relax, stop overthinking, let's go. But my door's always open. Apparently before, when Chris tried to get in, it was locked, just saying. But no, my door's always open. I'm always wanting to help, and that's what I do. And I got a beautiful gift. Okay guys, I will see you on the other side.
Subscribe, like, and share, just to let me know that you care.